box liquidation, and we're gonna load that truck with hollow core doors. These are pre-hung, but we wrapped the jambs and the doors and spaced them with the hinges, and these are matte nickel. We wrapped them on a pallet, put bumpers on it so we can get it there safely. And this is a one panel Madison door, and that's on a 36 by 82 pallet, but that's going to be the one panel Madison door. But I can get them into Craftsman and the Riversides and the 6 panels and the Romans. But we're going to get this thing loaded up and put it on the truck. I'll show you. I'll send it to New York. We saved him a bunch of money, man. It's going to New York, 90 miles north, Rhineland. And this fella can't get the doors up there. When they quoted him $229. I can ship them for $159. Those are hollow core interior doors. We're gonna put them on the back of your truck, man.
You got the paperwork?
Yes. Now let's get this big boy loaded. That is hollow core doors going to New York. You can buy them cheaper here on these doors than they are going to New York. So we got a pro number on it. Good carrier, man. It's gonna be a 3 to 2 business day travel. Big man's gonna get me set up. We're all signed up. Go on the end. Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Give me a call, Alan, 615-800-1646. Thank you.